How to do flicker effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to create a flicker effect at the time that my music changes a little bit. I added a cut to that position before. I want the effect to happen with an image that I downloaded from the internet. First, drag the image you want above your clips and timeline and position it where you want. Now use the right arrow key on your keyboard to move one frame at a time and with razor tool, add cuts. Now with selection tool, hold down the shift key and select the even parts and delete them until you only have 3 frames of the image left. Select the image parts and hold down the alt key and drag them to the right to create a duplicate from them. Do this for how long you want the effect to continue. Now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.